All right, so I just want to do a really quick video. One of my most popular videos out there is replacing the headlight on a Ford Escape. And if you actually watch it, it's a bit of a faff. Once I figured out how to do it, it was super easy. So I want to do a short video, one clip, just to see how long it takes me now to do the same thing now that I know what I'm doing. Before I get the bulb out of the package, so let's go. Oh look, the bulb is out about 9 minutes faster than before. Now I've got myself in a bit of a pickle, but it's okay because we're already out of it. And then do this, do this, do this. Look at, oh, I don't know if you can see it. Ta-da. Slides back in. New bulb. All right, what am I looking for? That. No, wait. Ta-da! Now it's done 18 times faster. Thanks for watching.